Hey guys, today let's learn how to transfer all data from your old iPhone to the new iPhone 15. So if you do have your old iPhone lying around and you have the new iPhone 15 to upgrade to and to move your storage to, in this video tutorial, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this step by step. So please watch this video until the end to find out how. Alright guys, so what we need to do first in order for us to fix this issue is to go ahead and tap on our settings application, and I want you to tap on your general tab. Now over here, you're gonna see the option to, over on the bottom, to transfer or reset iPhone. What I want you to do to tap on this option and tap on transfer your iPhones. As you see, we have this option called prepare for a new iPhone, and once you tap on get started, it's gonna show you the option to back up all of your storage to the iCloud so that you can have a seamless transfer process. So all we need to do first is to tap on get started and follow the on-screen instructions to move our iPhone storage to the new iPhone. So we are gonna need some extra iCloud storage, as you see here, and all we need to tap on continue so that we can have this extra iCloud storage. You upload our data to the iCloud and move it to our new iPhone. So tap on done. Once you're done, it's gonna upload your data to the iCloud, as you see right here, and all we need to do is wait for this process to be done. Now log in the same Apple ID and iCloud to the new iPhone 15, and of course, the backup is also gonna command send, start, and download all of your information from your old device to your new iPhone 15. And that's all for this video basically. I'll see you guys on the next one. Please like this video and subscribe as well if you guys award something. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care.